Hi friends, it's Alexandra and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I hope you subscribe and join my YouTube family. But today's video is going to be some Amazon favorites. I have been just a wee bit obsessed with Amazon recently. I never ever used to be an online shopper, but that has definitely changed. So I just thought it'd be fun to share some products with you. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. The first thing that I want to show you is a little kitchen gadget, and they are the silicone mats. So anything that we used to use aluminum foil for, we now use these mats. So I no longer purchase aluminum foil. So if I'm roasting veggies, if I'm baking chicken, making bacon, whatever it is, we will use these silicone mats. They come in several different colors and all shapes and all sizes. So I just opted for this 2-pack, and they fit perfectly on our baking sheets. So yeah, really been liking these. I like that they're reusable and they've held up really well. So we've really been liking these, and I will have each specific product that I mentioned linked down below. So the next thing that I want to share with you is, I've shared before, but I really have been enjoying these, so I wanted to share them again. And they are these drawer organization, like little cubes. So this one has my sports bras in it. I have another one with my underwear and another one with my regular bras. It came in a 4-pack. And they've just been so helpful because it keeps everything nice and organized. Nothing is moving around, and everything stays in their place and has like their each little home, which I really like it. It's super easy to see everything, and when you're looking for something specific, it's easy to just grab it and go. So I've really been enjoying those. The next thing that I want to mention are these little silicone rings. I did give one away because it was purple, and purple is not one of my favorite colors, and I knew I wouldn't wear it, so I gave it away. But it came with pink, like this clear and glittery teal one. It came with white, black, and another teal one, I think. But these are really nice. So if I'm going to I don't know, go hiking or go on a run with the dogs, or to work, because I wash my hands like so many times, I would not dare wear my beautiful ring. So I would wear one of these little silicone ones. They do run, especially this specific brand, definitely does run true to size. I should have gotten a size 5. But I thought that they would stretch over time, but they do not. So I got a size 4, but since I'm not wearing them like all day, every day, it's totally fine, but they do fit a little bit tight. But I just think they're really cute, and they're really comfortable. So if you're going like to the gym or something, or if you like work with your hands a lot, these are really nice because to wear if you don't want to mess up your ring. So yeah, I really like these. And then they just came in this little pouch, and I just keep them in there. So super cute. Alrighty, the next thing that I want to mention is a pair of sunglasses. These are These are a dupe for some Tom Ford sunglasses that I really want. They are a bit pricey, so I just was like, let me try these, and if I really like them, then maybe eventually I can get the Tom Ford ones. But these are so similar. If I saw a girl out wearing these, I would definitely think that they were real. So let me try them on for you. There are these really dark, like huge sunglasses. They have like the little Tom Ford logo there, and I really think that they're I just like them so much. I don't know, I just feel like so sassy in them, but I really like them. They're really good quality. The only thing like that I would say is a downfall is that they're pretty heavy. So if you are wearing makeup, you will get like those little lines on the side of your nose, but I just like tap it out like that, or with like my little beauty sponge, and I'm totally fine. But I just think these are so pretty, and they came with a case, and they came with a little cleaning cloth. So yeah, I really have been enjoying these. Alrighty, the next thing that I want to mention is this little wallet. I also want like this kind of expensive little key pouch holder. But I was like, am I really gonna like it? So I found one of these on Amazon and I was like, let me just try it out before I actually spend like a good chunk of money. But I ended up really liking this one, and I think I'll just end up using this one because it's held up really well, and I use it all the time, and it's just so like super handy. So it's a wallet and a key holder in one. So it has these little compartments here where you hang your keys, and then it has a little pocket here for some change. It has several little compartments for cards, but oh my God, the one thing that sold me on this one was it has a place for cash. A lot of them don't have a place for cash, but this one does. And then it also has the 2 buttons to keep it closed. And then it has this bigger ring on the top, or this little like hook, where I just keep my card key because that's the one that I'm going to use like the most. So I just left this one out, but I've really been liking this one. It's like super soft. It came in a bunch of different colors, but I just went with black because it matches with everything and it looks really sleek. So again, it's just like this little wallet key holder, and I've really been liking this. Alrighty, and then it also won't scratch, like my keys won't scratch the inside of my purses or get them dirty because keys can be quite dirty. So it just keeps them all like contained. Alrighty, the last thing that I want to mention is a laundry product. So for a very long time already, like very long time, I've been using a non-toxic laundry detergent, but so it has 0 scent, but I just wanted to switch it up, like just for like, I don't know, for a while. I just wanted to have something really girly and nice smelling, just something really good. So I had been seeing quite a few people talk about this Diva laundry detergent, and it's Glamour Wash. If you've ever used the Tyler Candle Company, they have really like intense, good smelling candles, like high quality. So they have dish. Did I say dish this whole time? I don't think so. They have this really nice smelling laundry detergent. It comes in several different scents, but Diva is one of their most popular ones. So let me just read you what this like little bougie packaging says. So it says, Glamour Wash, the scent Diva, a warm and complex fragrance overflowing with delicious fruits and rich florals. Rich and aromatic chocolate and amber complete this luscious blend. It's her world, we just live in it. Fine laundry detergent. So this is a like concentrate. So this looks like really little, and it looks like you would run through it really quickly. But if I'm doing a super small load, I'll do like half a capful or 1 capful. If I'm doing a medium size to large size, I'll do 2. And then if I'm doing like a really like super large load, I'll do 3 of these. It smells so delicious. It smells so good, so warm, so like romantic and cozy. Like I think this is like a really good example, like description of what it smells like. I'm obsessed. I went through a little trial one, so then I opted for this one. It is a bit pricey, but I love like washing my towels and my bed sheets in this. Sometimes I'll be fancy and wash our clothes in it, but it just smells so freaking good. Like I really like it. So it's not a necessity, but since I've used non-fragrant laundry detergent for so long, I wanted to switch it up and try something that smells so good. So those are all my current Amazon favorites. I have a bunch of other stuff that I will also make videos for, but I've just really been enjoying these things. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like I said, all these products will be linked down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. So until next time, bye.